Welcome to AIBank. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the AI world, AI super apps and their growing impact in 2025. First, what are AI super apps? These are all-in-one platforms powered by advanced artificial intelligence, designed to integrate multiple services, like messaging, payments, productivity, and even healthcare, into a single seamless experience. In China, companies like 36 Krona are leading the charge, hosting major conferences to showcase how AI super apps are transforming industries and daily life. So why are these apps such a big deal right now? At the recent 2025 AI Partner Conference in Shanghai, industry leaders discussed the explosive growth of AI-native applications. These super apps are not just about convenience, they're driving efficiency, improving service quality, and even reshaping how businesses operate across sectors like manufacturing, marketing, and healthcare. Let's dig deeper. AI super apps leverage the latest in large language models, real-time data, and smart automation. For example, they can automate customer service, optimize supply chains, and personalize content at scale. Companies are now competing to become the next super app, aiming to be the go-to platform for users' everyday needs. This trend is accelerating global adoption of AI, with both consumer and enterprise sectors rapidly integrating these solutions. But there are challenges too. Global economic uncertainty and trade tensions, especially between the US and China, are putting pressure on AI investments and supply chains. Still, tech giants like Google and Microsoft remain committed, with massive investments fueling further innovation. In summary, AI super apps are set to redefine digital life and business in 2025 and beyond. They're not just a trend, they're the future of intelligent, integrated technology. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to subscribe to AIBank for daily insights on the latest in AI. See you in the next video.